All right. Let me get in Sanjay Jha from the Congress party as well. Sanjay, I don't know if you got a chance to hear Vaibhav, but the BJP laughing at all these allegations, saying that they're mere acquisitions. There's no truth to it. The Supreme Court has already looked into the matter. CAG report is going to be tabled today. But tell us a little bit more about this email that Mr. Gandhi is referring to. Some very strong charges that he levels. He's accusing the Prime Minister of acting as Anil Ambani's middleman.
Avantika, if the BJP is laughing, they are laughing at the people of India because they're saying we looted you, we cheated you, we actually exploited you, we favored Anil Ambani and we took your money away, your 1,30,000 crores away. Everyone who's hearing this program right now, Avantika, all the viewers of India today, Narendra Modi has looted you, cheated you and taken your and our money and given it to Mr. Anil Ambani. Avantika, this is a serious issue. I don't think we can allow the BJP rhetoric to derail what is, in our opinion, a defense scam where the Prime Minister has personally ensured and engineered a transaction in favor of Anil Ambani. The Indian Express article, I don't know whether the gentleman from the BJP has even read it.
Right.
If he had, he would not be talking in such a ridiculously bizarre fashion. The fact of the matter is Anil Ambani knew about the MOU to be signed between Reliance and Dassault before the Ministry of Defense, before the Cabinet of India, before AKL, before the public, before the media. It is a violation of the Official Secrets Act, and technically the Prime Minister should submit his resignation and submit himself to an investigation now, not after he's defeated. It will happen after he's defeated. But he has to submit his resignation now if he has any moral conscience left in him.
Okay, we leave it at that, Sanjay.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.